The landscape of software development is being reshaped, and AI is the architect. While the tremors may be felt, the future promises a more efficient, innovative, and collaborative development ecosystem. Tools like GitHub Copilot, AWS Code Whisperer, Google Duet, Code Llama and StableCode boast the ability to write code, understand natural language, and even complete your programming thoughts. The question on everyone's mind: will programmers become obsolete relics of the past? To answer this question, let's start with taking a closer look at these AI coders. Similar to the generative AI models, these tools can be categorized into commercial and open source tools. Commercial tools come with the bells and whistles like integrations with popular development tools, advanced features, and the promise of seamless, streamlined coding. On the other side, open source options, while are currently lacking in polish, offer transparency, community-driven development, and most importantly code privacy. Starting with commercial tools. GitHub Copilot is powered by OpenAI's Codex LLM model, which has been trained on billions of lines of code from public GitHub repositories. You can start by typing code or writing a natural language description. Copilot analyzes the surrounding code, comments, and project files to understand the context. It also generates code suggestions that fit the context and follow best practices. Next is AWS Code Whisperer. It aims to enhance the process of developing applications specifically for the AWS cloud environment. It assists developers in writing AWS-specific code, optimizing performance and architecture patterns that align with best practices. It also offers guidance on security-related code implementations, ensuring that applications adhere to AWS security standards. It assists in writing infrastructure as code templates for provisioning AWS resources, making it easier to manage and deploy infrastructure. Commercial tools like Copilot and Code Whisperer boast impressive capabilities. They autocomplete code, generate functions, and even translate natural language instructions into lines of code. They churn out repetitive tasks at lightning speed, freeing up your mind for the intricate dance of logic and design. But on the flip side, their proprietary nature raises concerns about data privacy, vendor lock-in, and lack of transparency. Open source alternatives like Code Llama and StableCode offer a strong controlled approach for enterprises. Their community-driven development fosters transparency and accessibility, allowing programmers to peek under the hood and contribute to their evolution. Most importantly for enterprises, the code written is not being shared with the commercial model. But their capabilities might not yet match the polished prowess of their commercial counterparts. Other than the commercial and open source tools, here are alternate options available in OpenAI's GPT-4 ecosystem. OpenAI GPT-4 plugins are seamlessly integrating AI into popular development environments, further blurring the lines between human and machine coding. Here are a few notable examples. CoderPad, it suggests code completions and snippets, making it faster and easier to write and test code. WebDev assists with generating UI components, form validation, and data fetching, streamlining web development workflows. These plugins are not recommended for enterprise usage since most of plugins are developed by third-party vendors. This could lead to an increased risk of exposure of sensitive information, depending on what information is entered into the plugin and how those vendors handle the data. So, will these AI tools make programmers obsolete? The answer is a resounding no, at least as of December 2023. While AI will undoubtedly change the tune of software development, don't imagine robots composing entire symphonies just yet. Software development is much more than just writing code. It involves analysis, design, and communication skills required for understanding client needs, crafting elegant solutions, and collaborating with stakeholders. Generative AI tools excel at automating tedious tasks, streamlining repetitive coding, and suggesting boilerplate code. But when it comes to the crucial parts of the software melody, the elegant algorithms, the intuitive user interfaces, and the nuanced problem solving, the baton remains firmly in human hands. Yes, some roles might evolve. Junior coders tasked with churning out repetitive code might find their jobs transformed. But the demand for skilled software engineers who can design, analyze, solve complex problems, and interact with stakeholders will only amplify. These are the maestros who orchestrate the entire software symphony, ensuring its harmony and purpose. The next 5 years will see AI tools morphing into invaluable collaborators, not job stealers. This human-AI synergy will propel us towards faster, more efficient, and even more innovative software solutions. Embrace the AI revolution, harness its power, and remain a human in the loop in the symphony of software creation. The future of software development is about collaboration, not competition. AI tools will become invaluable partners, enhancing programmer productivity and freeing them to focus on the truly human aspects of the craft. Think of AI as a power tool, not a replacement. Just like a hammer doesn't make a carpenter obsolete, AI assistants won't eliminate the need for programmers. Instead, they'll transform the software development landscape, creating opportunities for engineers to focus on higher-level tasks. Thanks for diving into this code-fueled odyssey. Do you think AI tools will revolutionize the field or simply augment the skills of programmers? Will human coders still be essential in 5 years? Let's spark a conversation in the comments below.